Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we're looking at how to use VLOOKUP in Excel on Office 365. That's a really activated version. So, first of all, when working with large data, locating a specific, let's say, data, if let's say it's a customer database, is very difficult. And sometimes people prefer using define as Control F on the keyboard or in the Excel document. Or one simple way to look for documents, especially in a vertical column, is using the VLOOKUP. We also have other lookup functions like the XLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. But in this session, we're looking at the VLOOKUP. And at the end of this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, not to miss any content on our subsequent uploads. So to do with VLOOKUP, what we're looking currently, if we have large data and we have to locate, let's say, the total sales of a customer using his customer ID or maybe a receipt ID given to the customer. So what we are seeing here, highlighted in yellow, is the receipt ID or customer ID followed by the name of the customer and the total sales. So first of all, we'll be looking at the total sales using the ID, and this ID has to be unique to all customers. You understand? The lookup value has to be unique to all customers. So first of all, let's delve in straight away to save time. We are not trying to keep everything very short here on this channel. We don't waste time. So straight into the video, let's have our function as equal to. We're gonna look up, uh, then look up the function over here. And the first thing we have to enter is our lookup value. Now the lookup value will be the ID that will be entering over here. Then our comma sign. Look at our table array. Now the table array we will be using in this table. So we have various way of highlighting, saying this very let's say a short the table or short data. We can just highlight using our touchpad. Double click on the first one. So that's we double click and we drag. Now doing this in the very large data becomes very cumbersome. Immediately you select how to work faster within this is immediately you select the first or let's say the beginning cell. You hold your control and your shift key. You press the arrow key forward to highlight the entire row, and you press the arrow key down to highlight the whole table. And this is a very simple and faster way to highlight the whole table, especially when dealing with large data. Then your comma sign can now the column index with a VLOOKUP or the lookup value, we want it to return the total sales. And the total sales is in column C. And counting from the first column, we have column 1, column 2, column 3. So the column index will be 3, right? And because we want the exact match, we enter 0 and we close our brackets. Now we can hit our enter, right? Now, if we have a customer ID and want to look at the total sales of that customer, we just come to our ID here and type the customer ID to automatically generate our total sales for it. So let's say you're looking for customer with ID 02372. Immediately we hit enter, we get our total sales, which you can see over here. Now, let's say we are now looking for customer with ID 02375. Let's say we hit enter, we get a total sales for that specific customer. So this is a very simple way to use a VLOOKUP. Kindly subscribe to this channel for videos like this.